Good evening, I'm Meteorologist Ulises Garcia, bringing you your social media update. Right now, the clouds have been the main story here on this hump day. It's 87 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. The humidity right now at 59%, so there is still a bit of that ick factor throughout the area, but those winds coming out of the north-northeast at 6 miles per hour. When it comes to those temperatures, thanks to all that cloud cover today, temperatures have been struggling just to hit that 90-degree mark for our afternoon highs. At this hour, they've only descended just a tad into those middle 80s, 84 in Quincy, 84 in Thomasville, a little bit warmer towards the coast with some 87s and 88s with 88 in St. Mark's and even 87 in Tallahassee. But when it comes to those temperatures, they have rebounded from yesterday where we did see a lot of rain falling, especially towards the northwest section of our viewing area. 13 degrees warmer in Bainbridge than we were at this time yesterday, 7 in Quincy. So overall, somewhat of a warm-up, thanks to now we're seeing more cloud cover and a little bit of sunshine just struggling to peek through compared to at this time yesterday. It was a look at the water vapor throughout the southeast. We do see a little bit of that dry air trying to funnel its way closer into our viewing area. It's right now into southeastern Alabama, central Georgia, just trying to push its way. And it's going to be a tug of war, and that's mostly due thanks to Tropical Storm Julia now affecting South Carolina. And because this storm is going to pretty much meander off the coast of Georgia and South Carolina, that's going to bring us some cloudy conditions as we go into the second half of the work week and into the weekend, as this storm could actually potentially go back to the southwest closer towards the first coast of Florida, especially affecting the Jacksonville area. As we look at the satellite further out throughout the southeast, very quiet overall, so really great when it comes to the weather, as when it comes to rainfall. Very good, excellent Wednesday, and that will pretty much be the trend as we go into tomorrow. A couple of more isolated showers and storms affecting the I-4 region and just north of it, especially into Gainesville and Orlando. So if you're really driving on that Florida Turnpike, watch out. And obviously, we also do have Tropical Storm Julia affecting cities like Charleston and Myrtle Beach. So really, if you're driving on I-95, you're going to be about a soggy commute in Florida and South Carolina with dry conditions into Georgia. Overall, FutureCast for the next 36 to 48 hours show that we will see a lot of abundant cloud cover thanks to the wraparound moisture from Julia affecting the Tallahassee area, and that will be continuing all throughout our Thursday and even into our Friday. We do see some better chances of showers, especially coming into the region going into our Friday, so have that poncho with you for your afternoon, morning commute, and even into your afternoon commute, with the highest probability of rainfall pushing towards the eastern sector of our viewing area, especially into Valdosta and even points southeast into Gainesville. As we look at tonight, 74 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Just remember to have that umbrella with you if you are going to go out tonight. But those winds coming out of the northeast at 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow, still going to be a muggy day. Just remember frizzy hair days, especially for the ladies. So the ick factor will be high, 89 degrees. So it's going to struggle to hit that 90-degree mark. We're going to have a mix between sun and clouds and some afternoon storms. And as we break it down closer for our Thursday, 75 degrees as you wake up at 8 a.m. Towards the rest of the day, the showers and the clouds will continue to thicken and build thanks to afternoon heating. And by the time we go into the next 5 days, just remember to have that umbrella with you, because you are going to need it overall throughout the next 5 days. Temperatures are going to be close to that 90-degree mark, more or less 1 or 2 degrees off, and morning lows are going to be into those middle 70s. So overall, it's going to be a warm one as we go into the last weekend of astronomical summer.